So if you just want to know how much I saved, it's $3.75. So this is my favorite part, guys. I love doing the math on how much savings is actually coming from this heat pump dryer. So I compared it from March to April with my old electric dryer to April to May on my heat pump dryer. So after 1 month with my Samsung Bespoke washer dryer, I have some thoughts. So I can't actually be sitting with my Bespoke washer dryer like I normally do. So there are two ways that I want to talk about how you could save electricity with a heat pump washer dryer. This is pretty much going to be consistent if you do want to just get a heat pump dryer to save on electricity, or if you do want to get one of the new more popular options like the LG washer dryer or the GE washer dryer. It should be pretty close. So in the month of March, I did 11 cycles on my regular washer and regular dryer. They were both from LG from 2017. They weren't the most energy efficient by any means, but they used the standard plug for the washer and a 30 amp plug for the dryer. And in that month, we did 11 loads and used about 41 kilowatt hours of electricity. Now I got those numbers from my EcoFlow, which does keep track of how much electricity is used in each circuit. And for the laundry room, that's about how much was used in the month leading up to switching over to the Bespoke. At 15 cents, that's about $6.15 of electricity for the month of March. In Texas, our electricity rate is 15 cents, so it ended up being about $6.15 for that month's electricity just for the washer. In April, for the first month with the Samsung Bespoke washer dryer, we ended up using 11 cycles also and using about 16 kilowatt hours of electricity, which amounts to $2.40, which gave us the $3.75 savings. Now, that's not a lot, to be quite fair. In some states, you're probably going to feel this more, like in California, where electricity is 3 times more, you're going to have 3 times more savings. So, I mean, even with that kind of savings, you're not saving a lot. Where this really comes into play, where you could save more, is from the airflow. Because heat pump dryers do not need a vent and do not circulate air from the surrounding area of the dryer. So it doesn't need an inflow. Because traditional dryers do need to intake about 100 cubic feet to 250 cubic feet of air. So if you're air conditioning your space in your home, it's going to have to suck it in to dry the clothes and blow it out. So that's quite a bit of air per minute you're losing to the dryer. And if you're doing quite a few loads, it's going to make your air conditioner work harder. You're wasting even more electricity having that running. Now, another issue is that if you have the dryer running and it's pulling in air, you're going to have reduced comfort. And also, because the removal of air can cause negative pressure, you're going to have hot spots in your home from the air being pulled out. I don't really have a way of measuring that, but it was significant enough to where our side of the house where the washer dryer is, when the air conditioning was on, was no longer as hot. So we did notice there was a difference, and we did not realize that our vented dryer was actually pulling conditioned air. So that was an interesting conclusion for us. All right, so that was first month of ownership savings for the Samsung Bespoke washer dryer. And hopefully that was good information. You're not really saving a lot on electricity, but you are getting some savings, and you're also not draining your HVAC system, which could be very important to you. All right, if you enjoyed this content, be sure to like and subscribe. If you need more information about the Samsung Bespoke washer dryer or heat pump dryers in general, please feel free to comment down below with your question. I'll answer best I can. And if you like this kind of content or want to keep up with my review of the Samsung washer dryer, that will be coming later as I get more time with it. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you know what is coming up. And I'll be talking more about future savings with this. And bye.